Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can add related products in Woocommerce. So let's get started. First, go to your Woocommerce product page in WordPress and open the product you want to edit. Then, click on Enable Divi Visual Builder at the top, which will launch the builder directly on the product page. Once the builder is open, scroll down to the section where you want the related products to appear. Usually, this is placed under the main product details, but you can position it anywhere you like. Add a new section, insert a row, and then click the plus icon. From there, search for the Woo-related products module and add it to your row. By default, this module displays related products that share categories or tags with the main product. In the module settings, you can customize how many related products to show, how many columns to display, and which elements to include, such as product images, titles, prices, ratings, or even the Add to Cart button. Next, move over to the Design tab to style the section. Here, you can adjust spacing between products, change fonts, customize the button design, and even add hover effects to make it look more engaging. You can also apply a background color or a divider line to separate it from the rest of the product page. Once you're happy with the design, click the green checkmark to save your changes, then save the page and exit the builder. Finally, refresh the page, and you'll see the related products displayed right on your product page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.